and welcome back to my channel. If we haven't met before, my name is Shiv. Hello. If you're coming back, then welcome. In today's video, I actually have a haul from Cherryz. Cherryz is an online website and app where you can order bargain home kind of products, kind of similar in comparison, I guess, to stores like B&M, Wilko, that kind of thing. This is not a sponsored video, however, Cherryz did kindly gift me with a voucher towards my haul, which I'm really excited about. And now that I have moved into my own place, if you've kind of been following me on my channel for a little while, I have recently moved out, so I do actually need to purchase like cleaning products on a regular basis. So this is absolutely perfect and really excited to jump into the box. I actually got some kind of random things that I'm really excited about. So yeah, this box is really heavy. So I mean, I'm gonna probably put my back out here, but here we go. Oh, 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 oh. My whole life just flashed before my eyes. Okay, so we are not going to lift this box up because that will happen. That mirror will hit me and it's very, very heavy. It does have a stand on it, but I would not recommend knocking it over. So that was a great start of the haul, guys. Okay, so this is like, oh, it's really, really heavy. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this with a pair of scissors and just jump into everything. If you'd like to see what I got, if you're interested in kind of like lifestyle homeware hauls and that kind of thing, then please carry on watching. I personally love these videos. I love seeing how people like clean their house and stuff. I'm officially an adult, but if you'd like to see what I got, then please carry on watching. Before you do, please give this video a big thumbs up. Thumbs up to protect me from that mirror falling on my face. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell if you haven't already, so you're alerted when I upload a new video. Really appreciate it. Don't mind being so aggressive with this box. And please be sure to follow me on my social media pages. I'm shivonmakeupbiz on everything, mainly on Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, and then Twitter in order of like usage to the most. Twitter, I just retweet a bunch of stuff, and Instagram, I post like fashion content, I do beauty reels and IGTVs, and then TikTok is just a whole bunch of randomness, so come and join me on there if you would like. Anyway, let's just jump into this box, shall we, before I end up breaking something else. I'm out of breath. This box is too big, but I am very excited to show you. It's literally just a whole bunch of like essential items and things just to make your life a little bit easier. I also forgot to mention, when you like refer a friend, you can get points which you can use towards your haul. You can earn Cherryz on points and then use them to get like little gifts and stuff, so it's really cool. Make sure you download the app. I'll have all the links in the description box down below. But yeah, let's just dive in. In no particular order, I'm going to start with the not embarrassing but shouldn't be embarrassing item. I've just got some Panty Liners, always dailies, can't go wrong. Got some of those, you know how it is, girls. And then I also got some Sanitary Pads as well, just to be prepared, you never know. Just got the one with the wings if anyone is interested. So I got those. Okay, I apparently got 2 packs of those, so that's super handy. Next up, I got some Disinfectant. This is by Zaflora. This is in the scent Winter Morning. If you are living under a rock and do not know about Zaflora, it's basically a concentrated disinfectant and you can use it on so many different ways. So I mainly like to use it by taking like a capful once I've like completely cleaned and like putting it down the sink. I like putting it into like a spray bottle with some water and using it like as a disinfectant spray, and it just, the smell like lasts for ages. But you can use it in so many different ways. If you search like Zaflora hacks on YouTube, like you'll just get lost into like a minefield of Zaflora themed videos, and it's very fascinating. So I got the scent of Winter Morning. Oh, that is nice. It's kind of like cinnamony, gingerbready. Yeah, Winter Morning. Okay, I like that a lot. I like that a lot. I still have some summer scents that I need to use up, but I think I'll start using this when it's like really, really, really cold. So probably in like a week or so. Yeah, I picked that up, and Zaflora honestly just lasts forever, so really, really happy with that. That's just the normal size. Next, I got the cutest Minky Sponge you have ever seen. This is a pink one with little heart prints on it. So I picked this up, and one side is like scratchy, and then one side is like soft. I actually just uploaded a Primark haul recently. I'll link that down below. And I picked up some dupes of the Minky. I've never actually tried this before. I'm not like a cleaning expert or anything like that, but I forgot I got this in my haul and I was really excited when I opened the box just now because I forgot I got this, and apparently it's really, really good. So yeah, I picked this up to do some cleaning with. Next, I got some all-purpose cloths. You can't go wrong. A 5-pack of those in all different colours to clean things. A lot of this haul is to clean things. The next item I got is something that I feel like it's to make my life just a little bit easier. Not essential, just easier. And it's some sealing clips for like bags and things. So like pasta, when you're finished, I can can just roll it up and then clip it closed, or just bread or anything like that basically. So I've got a pack of those. They come in like pink, grey and white, so that's quite cute as well. Just put them in my drawer for when I need them. Also things like freezer food like peas and sweet corn and stuff like that, so I've got some of those. Next up I got a diffuser. This is in the scent Linen Room, which is peony, vetiver and jasmine from the brand Air Pure. So I got that. I don't know where I'm going to put this one because I also got some other diffusers. I might kind of save this for when the others are finished, but maybe this could be a nice like bathroom scent, like a nice kind of fresh towel kind of scent. So I got that, and I do love diffusers because you can just leave them and you know that your place is going to smell lovely. Next up, something super exciting. Got some bin bags. This is 20 refuse sacks just for my bin, obviously. Can't go wrong, always in bin bags. Next I got some mouthwash. This is the Oral-B Lasting Freshness mouthwash to make sure that my mouth is nice and clean and fresh. Speaking of clean mouths, I got some toothpaste. I got the Colgate White Max White Sparkle Diamonds toothpaste. I'm such a sucker for when it says whitening on it for teeth products. And I don't know if this is any good, but it was like £1 on the Cherryz app, so I picked it up, and I'm actually running short of the toothpaste I have now, so I felt like I may as well while I'm on the app, so I got some of that. Then this is actually something random which is quite exciting. I got a pillow spray. This is the Sleep Well pillow spray with blends of essential oils, and you basically just spray it like on your bed and like pillows and stuff just before you get into bed, and it makes it like really relaxing. And I love pillow sprays just for like setting the mood. I actually have one already, so I can use this when that one is finished. And I feel like just even like the process of like making your bed all fresh and lovely, spraying the sleep mist on, like getting into bed, like just really sets your mind up for like a good sleep. So yeah, I picked that up. It's just a little bottle, 25 mils. I guess if you wanted to, you could take it traveling with you. So yeah, I picked that up. Next up is all the stuff that makes the box super heavy, but I got some toilet cleaner, which is vegan. Apparently, not obviously that you should eat it, you should definitely not eat it. But it's just by the brand Star Drops, the pink stuff. So I picked that up to clean my toilet with, which is obviously very glamorous and lovely. Next up, I got some more kind of multi-purpose spray, which is really good because I literally was just running out. Again, it says vegan at the top. I feel like I'm confused. I need to research that a little bit more, but anyway, this is pomegranate and raspberry scent anti-back spray for like everyday cleaning. You always need one of these. I'm not obviously going to smell it right now, but I'm sure it smells delightful. So much stuff, it's so exciting. Next I got some tea lights. These are the Jelly Belly Peach Bellini. Oh, that is definitely a bit of me, very peachy as the name goes. They literally smell like the peach sweets that you get at the cinema. Love those. So I got some scented tea lights to kind of burn when I want. 4-hour burn time, which is kind of alright. I think I'll just burn these in the evening when I'm working from home, just to kind of set the mood. I love like a citrusy smell. Next two things I'm going to show you together because I've never actually tried this myself before, but I really want to. And it's like the classic way of cleaning your plug holes. I've never tried it, but I've seen everyone on like Clean Top do it. So I got some baking soda and then some white vinegar. I got the white vinegar spray. And you basically like put some baking soda like down your sink and then spray some of this on it. I don't think you're supposed to do it all the time because it can like damage the like actual pipes if you do it too much. But just occasionally when you really want to get like a deep clean like in there, this is really, really good to like melt away the gunk. So I feel like I'm gonna give that a go at some point, and I feel like they're kind of like classic things to use just to kind of help you clean like deeply occasionally. So I picked those. So I just want to show you those together. Another pink stuff item, I got the Miracle Bathroom Foam Cleaner. Just give this a go. Sounds quite fun if it's in a foam, I guess. Good for like getting rid of like soap and stuff. So yeah, got that. Next I got a hand wash refill. To be honest, I'm not really close to running out of hand wash. I've like got quite a lot of it because I did stock up ages ago. Even before I moved out, I like bulk bought some of them from Amazon, but I feel like this is good for when I run out, and I can just pour it into my hand wash dispenser. So I got the Shea butter with warm vanilla from Dove. So nice little kind of sachet to refill. It is plastic and recyclable, however there is less plastic by not buying like the separate bottles all the time. So yeah, I thought that was quite a good idea. So I saw that and thought, oh perfect, I will get that. I thought that's quite a nice scent for a hand wash. Oh, next is something that I'm excited to try. I've not even tried before. So the Incredibles, or whatever they're called, Air Pure Incredibles, the ones that everyone talks about from like Lenore or something. I saw this like dupe for them, so I'm going to give them a go. They're scent boosters. To be honest, I don't really understand how they work completely, but I've seen people like put them into a wash and it makes clothes smell really nice, or people put them in pillows and bins and things. So I picked that up, Fuchsia and Pearls, which is quite nice. So let me know if you want an update on that. But again, I'm not a cleaning expert, but I'll give it a go. Then I got some fabric conditioner. I got the Lenore Gold Orchid Fabric Conditioner 30 washes. like completely zoned out then. Anyway, I've got some fabric conditioner for my washing. I'm trying to stick with all the cleaning products before I get onto the other like random things. I've got some more floor cleaner. This is in the scent Wild Orchid. Just while I was on the site, I thought I may as well pick some up to like mop my floors with. So I've got some of that. Oh, with the Flora, you can also pop a little bit into your kind of mop solution if you want. Got this Perfect Finish Limescale Remover from Sif for my like shower head, and then I think you might be able to use this on like the kettle if you're really careful. So I picked this up and I'll give that a go. I think when I have like a day where I can just like dedicate to really deep cleaning my flat, then I'll definitely use this and get to work on the shower head. We got some washing up liquid. I got the Fairy Sensitive washing up liquid. I don't necessarily need one for sensitive skin, but I just saw this and thought this will work absolutely fine. Then I got some Pink Stuff Miracle Cleaning Paste, which I'm actually really excited for to use with like the Minky kind of sponge, and you like kind of go to town on your bath. I've never actually used it before, so I'm excited to get this. I feel like this is quite a fun way to clean, like really like getting in there. So yeah, I picked this up. Apparently it is also vegan, so that's good to know. Next up, the box is kind of squished from being smushed around, but I got some descaler tablets for my kettle. I have a clear kettle, and I tell you, when you live in a hard water area, it's quite difficult to keep the lime scale off, and you can see it as well. I'd rather just not know that the lime scale is in there. There's one tablet for regular use. Dissolve the tablet in half a litre water and then pour into the water compartment of the appliance. Switch on and boil water, ensuring solution does not overfoam and escape. After descaling, make sure to refill appliance with clean water and then reboil 2 to 3 times before using. Definitely have to reread those instructions and actually do it, but I picked those up just to kind of help with my kettle. I do clean it quite often, but I feel like sometimes for like a deep clean, again, a lot of this is really good for like a deep cleaning kind of day. I got another scent of Flora. This is an absolute classic. The box is a little bit squished, but this is in the scent Warm Cinnamon. You just have to get this if you're buying Sephora at this time of the year. It is the rule. It smells so good, and because cinnamon is quite a strong smell, I feel like if you clean like your surfaces with this, the box just opened on the bottom. Clean your surfaces, pop a little cap into your sink, even put some on the floor, like when you mop and stuff. Your house would literally just smell like Christmas, so love that. Another really random purchase for cleaning is the Astonish Toilet Bowl Fizz and Fresh Deep Cleaning Foam Action Pink Peony Fresh. And I think you just literally just drop it into your toilet, and it's supposed to like really clean and get all the gunk and like the bacteria out. It says basically you just put it in, leave it for 20 minutes, and then you get like your little toilet brush and clean it. So yeah, I got that. I think I'm just gonna have like a really big deep cleaning day very soon. Getting on to the last of it now. This is such a big haul, but all essential items. A few random things. I got some Berocca, just 7 little Berocca tablets. As you can hear, my nose is like a little bit coldy. It's not COVID, I have checked, but you can never go wrong with a little boost of vitamin C. So I picked these up, 7 of them just for when I need them. They're also really good for hangovers and things like that, because I've been partying a lot more recently. So yeah, picked up some Berocca. What is the expression? You, but on a really good day. Next up, I got some Epson bath salts. These are in the scent of Vanilla Sugar, and you just pop some into your bath, and it really helps with like muscles and like relaxing and stuff. So I picked these up. I'm gonna have lots of baths during the winter time, nice and cozy evenings, so I'm really excited to use these. And then to go with the bath salts, I feel like because they're vanilla, this will go nicely. This is the Dove Caring Bath Shea Butter with Warm Vanilla. I don't like to have scented baths like too often because it's not good for the lady bits, but occasionally it's really nice. That smells so nice and like calming and like clean. I can imagine that, like getting out freshly moisturised body into like nice silky pyjamas. Pillow spray, beautiful evening hot water bottle, love it. Then I got a cute little Yankee candle which I completely forgot about. It's a red velvet brownie. I have no idea what it smells like, please be nice. That smell was like just a bit much. Okay, that is really nice. When it burns, that will smell amazing. Yeah, I like that, very sweet. So I picked that up, red velvet brownie little candle. 2 more things and then we're done. I picked up some sweets. These are vegan gummy bears, which are sugar-free, gelatin-free, gluten-free, so I can eat them as a vegan diet person. So I picked those up. not. I would put them in my sweet jar, which I have, but I know I'm just going to eat them all tonight, which is absolutely fine. And then lastly, something else which I'm really excited to have tomorrow morning. Found this coffee on their website. This is the Beanies flavoured coffee, double chocolate flavour instant coffee. I love making iced coffees with instant coffee, just like heat a little bit of water and sugar like equal parts, and then whisk it up as much as you can, add it into ice and milk, and it's perfect. So I feel like this would be really, really good and almost give me like a mocha kind of coffee. So I'm gonna have these tomorrow morning. I'm really excited. But yeah, that was my huge Cherryz haul. I actually got so much stuff and I'm very happy with everything. I know that I'm gonna get a lot of use and it's gonna everything is going to come in handy just like over the next kind of like months and stuff. Just cleaning products and things. I feel like it's just good to like have a bit of stock behind you because you never want to run out of stuff last minute if you're cleaning. So yeah, all good. But I really hope you enjoyed watching this video. Definitely go ahead and check out Cherryz, just if you are someone who needs kind of your homeware bits and things. If you don't want to go to the shops, it's also a really good way to order like your essentials to your door. So really enjoy that aspect of it. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. It will mean the absolute world. Please go ahead and follow me on my social media pages. I'm shivonmakeupbiz on everything. Let me know if there's anything else you want to see from me, and I shall see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.